What's up, guys? So today we are going to be doing our 100 plus view celebration slime. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Let's get into it. Okay, so this is some shampoo and salt. It is a failed clear slime. So what I'm going to do to it is I'm adding in some green and some red food coloring to that. And then I'm just going to mix it all together. So I am now putting in my red. And I am fin to start mixing. Okay, now I gotta get this stuff off of my pencil because that looks bad. And yeah, so I'm mixing. So it is looking pretty on like the rim. It looks kind of like a blackish, but I know it's gonna be like a brown. And this smells so good, by the way. And so this is what the slime looks like. So I know it's gonna be a brown. It doesn't really matter. Wait, actually it's like a throw up color. Ugh. So now I am going to add in some shaving foam. There's barely any in here, so I'm gonna just try to do it like that. Okay, yeah. Getting all of that stuff out there. So I am mixing this together now. You can barely see the color in there, but because it's like still at the bottom, it hasn't like mixed yet. So I am just going to keep on mixing. So I am almost finished mixing. I can see that the shampoo is kind of coming into the shaving foam now. So that's a big yes. And now I am just going to add in some glitter. But the bottom is still not really mixed in some more. So I'm just going to mix it in a little bit more. So now I think I've mixed it enough. And so I'm just going to add in the little bit that I have left of this because I just had a school project. And I used glitter for it. And I used a little bit of this red, like that in there. I am also going to use some hot pink. And I also use this for the project as well. Some brown, different. And I have a lot of that, so I'm just going to add a substantial amount. I also have some blue glitter. It's like a marine blue or whatever. And then I'm also adding in some green glitter that I also use for my project. So there's barely any of that. And I am just going to mix this up. So it is starting to come together, which is really pretty. And yeah. So I do like the scent of the shampoo, but I'm still going to add in some more. And this isn't like the ideal scent, but I had got this lip balm kit and I didn't use this. So I actually found that this actually works really well. And this is what it is. Oh, so citrus or something? Yeah. And I'm going to add that in there. And it actually colors the slime as well, but it won't color this one because the other color is too strong. So I'm mixing in the scent. Oh yeah, I can start smelling it. I started smelling that. It smells good. Okay guys, so right now it has formed and everything. I'm gonna add in a little bit of shaving foam because I don't really feel that component right now. So yeah, I just added in a little bit more and now I'm mixing that in. Okay, that looks good. See, do you like it, guys? Do you like it? Okie dokie. So now it is time to activate the slime. And you already know what my favorite is, but if you're new, this is what I use. And I will see you at the end when I finish activating. Sadly, guys, I could not get the slime to activate. I think it was because of the salt, so I am pretty sad about that. And this is actually like, this slime is really playing with me, because 1 second it feels like it's thickening up, but then another it feels like it's getting thinner. And so what happens is it just gets thinner instead of thicker. But like at the bottom, while I'm looking at it, it seems like it's thickening up, but like it's not coming to the top, and that isn't too good. So since I cannot give you any like slime ASMR, I'm gonna just do sound ASMR. So So that is all for the video today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And if you like this video, then like, comment, post, and share. And so thank you guys for watching. Bye.